Hello fam, hope you guys are doing well. Pardon my voice, it's a little bit sore, but I just wanted to show you some of the products that I purchased from Amazon. I think this is the last set of products that I got from Amazon. I mentioned this in my last Amazon haul. So I got 2 sets of gel polishes. There were a lot of gel polishes in the last Amazon haul, and I told you that I had 2 more coming. So basically, one is a nude and one is some jelly nude gels. So this brand is called Major Digit Nail Gel Color Coat. This is 12, a set of 12, and these are 8 mil. But I bought these because I absolutely loved how the colors looked on the Amazon listing. And remember I said that I did not have a red jelly, so I had to get this because this had the red jelly in it. Absolutely pigmented. Now I already swatched these because I was too excited when they finally arrived. So let me just grab the swatch sticks. So these are the swatches of all of the new gel polishes that I got. Major Digit. Okay, digit. Okay, here we go. So all these gel polishes here, these are all of the beautiful colors here. Now the only issue with this is that this purple, I had to do like 3 swatches to get this color. So the purple one is very, very sheer, but all of the other colors are absolutely stunning. 6 beautiful colors. And remember, I wanted to get a black and a brown when I'm doing like shading, character shading and stuff like that. So there you have it. I've never seen a teal jelly gel. Beautiful. Now, when we compare the colors, these are the Makartt jelly gels that I showed in the other Amazon haul. So you can see we get a really bright here. Their neon is a much brighter, much glassier than this cheap one here. The purples seem to be the same, like they needed a couple coverages, but this is just 1 coat, so I think Makartt's still doing really well. In terms of the blue, it is a different blue, but as you can see that it's much more pigmented. What else from Makartt? And then these last 3 here. So I don't know what happened to this next blue here, but this pink, hands down, the other collection didn't have a pink like this. So this pink syrup one from Makartt is absolutely stunning. So anyway, these are all of the colors for Major Digit from Amazon US store. All right. Now the next gel polish collection is from RAR JSM. You guys know that I have purchased another set of gel polish from them, and I have a bunch of their gel liners as well. I think I have like 3 collections. Here is the ingredient. Oh, I didn't show the ingredient list on this one. I don't even think it has one. So you might need to read the because there's no paper or anything in there, so you might need to read the description box. All right, so RAR JSM, these are also nude jelly gels. You can see the little colors to the top there. I also swatched these already, but I'm just going to open up one so you can have a quick look at how they looked. These are the shimmer ones. These are from the gods. I don't even know if you can see the shimmer, but they are absolutely stunning. They remind me of the some of the colors from the Makartt Femi Beauty collection. Okay, like I said, I swatched this, and these are all of the gel polishes that I swatched from them. Who is this one? No, that's the Model Ones one. Oh, these them here because they are very shimmery. So it's these here. Oh, I have 7 here. It's supposed to be 6. Oh, this is one of these is Makartt. Yeah, this one from Makartt. No, that's Madame Glam. Sorry, that's Daydream from Madame Glam. Beautiful color as well. Okay, so this is how these colors here from RAR JSM, this is how they look. Beautiful shimmer from the gods. This one is very similar to the Femi Beauty Pop Tart gel polish. I absolutely love that from her collection, from the Femi Beauty collection. I don't think it's no longer available on Makartt, but this one is darker than that one. So it's a good replacement, except that it's a little bit more darker than the one from Makartt. However, here are all of those beautiful, stunning colors. Highly recommend RAR JSM as a brand, and I also recommend this collection as well. Okay, so now let's move on to the other products that I purchased. I'm gonna put these swatch sticks right here to the side. Sorry about all the noise in the background. Only 2 more products that I purchased from Amazon. I bought this big bottle. I didn't realize it was so huge. This one is Blue Cross. I saw this on TikTok. A lot of persons were like doing Shein hauls and Amazon hauls, and they were including some of their products that they purchased from other places. And this seemed to be a very popular cuticle remover. If anyone has ever used this brand, you can let me know down in the comments. And the ingredients didn't look too bad. Water. I thought I said potato just now. Calcium, oil, and lanolin. And I know lanolin is really good for smoothing out the skin. So hopefully we can get these cuticles in check. We can get these crusty cuticles be gone. And then the last thing that I purchased from Amazon were a lot of alcohol prep pads. It was a special going on, and I think these were like $8.99 for this whole pack here. And one of these pack, I think, or 2 of these packs here is almost around the same price. So I had to get them, and I got 2 packs of them. So I have alcohol pads for days. I mean, I could also use them for like press on kits as well. So yeah, so that is what I got from Amazon. And I'm just going to take this off the desk, and I'm going to show you some stuff that I purchased from my local store. Okay, so you guys remember that from the Shein haul, we purchased that little tray to put your tools in. Definitely check out my recent Amazon haul and check out my recent Shein haul, because if you haven't, this won't make much sense. Anyway, barbicide, you need this to disinfect your tools. So your clippers, your files, anything. And this is also anti-rusting as well, so you don't have to worry about your products rusting. This is said to be the best because it have bactericide, fungicide, and virucide. So this is a solution, you know, so you add this to water, and then for a minimum of 10 minutes, you leave your tools in before you decide to use them. So it has to be, see, it says pre-cleaned. So you need to make sure that you wash and remove all dirt and stuff from the brushes before you use this to disinfect. This is not for cleaning, this is for disinfecting. This is why you should disinfect first. I mean, clean first, sorry. So that's my barbicide. I will be doing a video of me cleaning my tools. Next thing I picked up was a big bottle of acetone. I'm definitely one that's going to be sticking to Gel-X methods. So acetone is going to be used to kind of like soak off the nails if I leave them on permanently. But you guys know that I do a lot of pop-off method. And then also for cleaning up as well. If I make any spills with gel polish on my skin, I wanted to get a set of some acetone. So that's 500 ml. So hopefully that should last me for a while. Next, I did get some hand cleansers. These are antibacterial gels, 65% alcohol, which is not bad. So every time before you even start to do your nails, your hand should be clean. And if you are going to be taking clients, or you're a beginner nail tech like myself, or almost a beginner nail tech, you should clean your hands as well as your client's hands before you even start to do anything. Before you do anything, always hand sanitizer if you're going to be in contact. Even if you wear gloves, put your hand sanitizer on and then put your gloves on. So I got 2 of those. And then lastly, I got myself a manicure kit from this company called KREDIOO. And it was a good price, because for the sizes of these are like 200 ml or 190 something ml. And it has every single thing. I cannot tell you when was the last time I got myself a proper manicure. Like, I have really been neglecting my hands. I haven't given myself like a full luxury treatment. So this has cocoa butter, this has a hand soak, this has a hygiene spray, this has a hand cream, and it also has a hand scrub. So soak your hands first, give it a good scrub, Put a little bit of cream on it, and if you need extra moisture, oh sorry, this isn't a hand cream, this is a hand mask. Yeah, so after you finish scrubbing it, then you put your mask on. You put the hand mask on, and then after you finish with your hand mask, you finish the treatment off with a hand cream. So this was supposed to be a really good brand. I actually really like that the ingredients are all natural. I really like that. This is the little pamphlet book that comes within it. They do skincare as well. Before I was doing nails, I used to do skincare reviews as well. So yeah, I know a little thing on too. So the products looks really nice. The brand itself looks really nice. Here we have, this is the hand treatment cream. Look how big this is. 250 ml. This whole collection was around 27 euros, which probably is US, probably $26 for 5 products. That's not bad. So this one is the hand mask. Wild berry butter, cranberry and cocoa butter. And this one's a cranberry sensation. We also have a hand soak. This one is red berry splash, bearberry and chamomile. So much fuzz all over the place. Perfect preparation for any manicure. So you add a small amount of warm water and soak hands in for 10 minutes or as desired. Okay. And then we have, this is a hygiene spray. So before you even put your hands and soak it in and all that stuff, you can hand sanitizer and then spray your client hands with this. A vital massage for any manicure treatment. Spray evenly over the area to be treated and dry off any excess with tissue and continue the treatment. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I think the last product in here should be the scrub. Wow, look at that scrub, eh? Mulberry and pomegranate sorbet hand scrub. Look at that. So I will definitely be doing a full manicure on camera. I have to schedule it. So you and I are gonna have a wonderful manicure day. Something that I don't hardly ever see anybody doing manicures on camera. So guys, take care of your hands. Take care of your hands. Give yourself a nice luxury manicure treatment. It doesn't cost that. It doesn't cost a lot. And I seen this brand on Amazon as well. So you should be able to find them, or any good brand. All right, guys. So that is everything that I have purchased, and I think that's going to be my last purchase for a very long time because I had Amazon come in, I had Shein come in, I had some local products come in. So I think that's going to be me for a while. All right. Hopefully these videos have been very helpful for you guys. I hope that you have learned something over the last few videos. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.